thing is on free shipping. A lot of it goes away at the end of the day. It's time to talk a little bit more about Temp-tations on the show today, because I have never seen you and the Temp-tations team do something like this before.
I know, this is so perfect. It's the perfect time of the year. It's the perfect shape, the perfect size. And what I love about it is we're calling it a cheese board, but it does so much more.
Absolutely.
Because honestly, who wants to just go out and buy a cheese board, right? It doesn't make sense. So we're going to start with that great round stoneware baker. It's beautifully shallow, and that's what we love about it, Mary. Just about a 1 to 2 quart capacity right there. All the detail in the old world of that gorgeous rope border, hand painting on the outside, but look, when I flip it to the inside, it's a gorgeous round baker. It's going to sit on top of this amazing wood paddle, if you will.
It's beautiful.
So on trend. Check this out. This is now your trivet that you're going to use if you bring this right out of a hot oven or a cold refrigerator.
And look at the thickness. I mean, that's a true cheese board.
Absolutely. I don't know if you saw Jen Kovic. She was actually cutting from this.
Yes.
So what I suggest that you do is you can cut on one side, leave the other side pristine, if you will, so it stays nice. And then look at this. You can now bring it right to your table. I have a good handle right here on that paddle. And Mary, look at the 3 things.
You only have 2 hands, so I wanted to come be hands.
I feel like I have 5, but I only have 2, right? So I love this because these are those matching accessory pieces that can cost so much to go out and purchase. It's the cheese shaver right here. So when you have like a block of Parmesan,
okay,
the cheese knife, and then it has the fork.
These are beautifully made.
Gorgeous.
I have to say, I needed to get my hands on them too.
And think about being able to have like a charcuterie board, a cheese board, but you have a baker as well. So here's the old world black.
Okay.
Then next door to that, we have that great red, which, oh my gosh, Christmas cookies on here.
Perfect.
Beautiful. How about the cranberry? That's the warm red tone. Here's the brown. That's a great neutral. Here's Mary's color, that beautiful spice.
Oh, I love it.
Great for Thanksgiving. And then, of course, the eggplant, that purple color.
So remember, we have old world and floral lace here.
Floral lace. Now, here's that beautiful green floral lace. And if you don't mind, I'm just going to tip it so you can see. There's the profile that you're going to see with the gorgeous beading and the fluting. So there's green. Here's the red. Here's the light blue. Here's the black. This is what I collect, Mary. It's like that toile. I'm obsessed with floral lace black. Then we have the brown. Then we have the spice next door to that. And at the very end, we have the eggplant.
Okay, so this is a 12-inch diameter plate.
Yes.
But it's a 5-piece, so you're getting the 3 tools, the board, the cheese board, and the 12-inch diameter plate. I have to say, too, I could still make a beautiful tart on that plate. I could still reheat my 12-inch pizza on that plate. I mean, it's 2 easy payments of $20.70. It's also on free shipping and handling. So when you take a look at the weight, when you take a look at the size, everything you're getting, free shipping and handling is a huge savings. However, our comparable retail is $62. Hello. $62. So you're saving $20.60 here. With free shipping and handling, that's additional savings. And we have 2 easy payments of $20.70 to make it a little more budget friendly. Hello,
love
Tots.
that. And this is what I love about it. Here's what I personally love about a shallow baker. So number 1, you get great east to west capacity. So I can do tater tot nachos right here. Please help yourself.
Tachos.
And I get tachos. I can make it nice and big and yummy. Everything you love about stoneware. So naturally nonstick. Notice how Mary is literally just pulling that right away from the side of the dish. In the oven up to 500 degrees. Microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. And I'm saying all that about a cheese board, right? Which is amazing.
Right. Look at that. I wanted to show, I mean, non-stick is just an understatement. It is so absolutely beautiful.
Love it.
It's so versatile.
And that's what I love about it. So I'm an empty nester now. It's just my husband and myself. So the fact that I could do a nice, beautiful deep dish cookie in here or a deep dish pizza, look how amazing that is. So pretty. Yet if I just want to cook like 2 chicken breasts in here and roast broccoli, I do this all the time. I cook in the same dish. It's perfect for the 2 of us. That's what I love about this piece.
I grabbed a big old jalapeno on that one.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I love some
Mary.
heat. I do. Oh, no, I did it on purpose. I love it. First day presented on free shipping and handling, and that free shipping and handling is gone at the end of the day. This would be a beautiful showcase for your Cheryl's cookies. It would be beautiful to showcase. Oh my gosh, look at that butternut squash. That's gorgeous.
Isn't this gorgeous? And here's what I love about the versatility of Temp-tations. The fact that I can take that shallow bigger right there. This is the guts of the charcuterie board. Absolutely fill it up with cheese. It's going to keep your cold, cold and your hot, hot. So as we're getting ready for the holidays and you're getting kind of stressed out, like how am I going to get everything ready?
Beautiful.
Prepare this in advance. You can just put some covering on it, put it in the refrigerator. But down here, I have the perfect paddle. This is still the same set to have all of my breads and my dips and things like that.
Okay, this is our only order of the year.
Yes.
This is our only order of the year, and we have some updates in colors to do.
Got it.
So in the old world,
we have that gorgeous black right here.
okay,
Then we have the red.
there are 12 remaining in that black.
Seriously. Wow. Okay.
Then we have that beautiful red. I'm going to tilt that a little bit. Oh, good, you can see it.
Isn't that so
6
pretty?
dozen remaining in the red.
Got it.
Cranberry,
Love that.
4 dozen.
Okay.
And then in the brown,
Wow.
4 dozen. Then in the spice, last call.
Oh.
Then it, I shouted
Mary,
it.
you better take
then
one.
We have, I know. Then we have eggplant, 2 dozen. Now I'm going to take it down to the front of the table. Floral lace green, floral lace red, floral lace light blue, floral lace black. Black, there are 12 remaining right here. Then floral lace brown, or chocolate. Chocolate. Floral lace in the spice, 4 dozen in the floral lace spice, and then floral lace in the eggplant. Oh my goodness. Okay, remember, $20 and change saved from the comparable retail price here. It's our only order of the year, and that free shipping and handling goes away at the end of the day. Oh, those tachos were so good.
I'm going to have some of those. By the way, I left the apple tart out for the crew. There's a little bit left.
I just heard Scott said I had some. It was delicious.
Oh, yes, God, I'm so
So
happy.
good.
It's
Thank
so
you,
yummy.
my friend.
Hey, nice to see
Thank
you.
you, thank
But I'm
you.
not leaving yet.
Don't. We got more to discuss.
But I still have to shop with free shipping. Can I tell you?
Yeah, it's free shipping Saturday, and we're taking it on the flip side right now, because the flip side is where we talk to you about a great food item that happens to cover maybe some